You will most frequently encounter the PLE extension as a Maya Personal Learning Edition file or as a Messenger Plus, live encrypted log. This format functions as either a non-commercial 3D project used for learning animation or a secure archive of instant messaging history. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are rendering a 3D character or unlocking a legacy chat archive. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized PLE file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. In the world of 3D animation, the PLE format was created by Autodesk, formerly Alias, specifically for Maya Personal Learning Edition. It allowed students and hobbyists to use the full power of the software for free, but it restricted the files so they could not be used in professional productions. In the early days of social networking, the Messenger Plus live extension for Windows Live Messenger used bought PLE files to store chat logs with high-level encryption, ensuring that private conversations remained protected even if the computer's hard drive was accessed by others. Maya PLE files are governed by a proprietary binary marking protocol that embeds an unbreakable learning license tag into the scene data. This ensures that any image rendered from the file includes a permanent watermark. Messenger Plus PLE files follow a triple DES or AES encryption protocol, requiring a specific user-defined password to decrypt the header before the text-based chat content can be parsed and displayed by a log viewer. Typically, PLE files can be opened with Maya PLE created by Autodesk. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows offers minimal interpretation of these files, so accessing their true meaning requires dedicated software. To force the file open, right-click your PLE file and select Open With. If Maya PLE is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you still cannot open your PLE file, that is okay. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this PLE format is causing you grief. First, identifying the file type. Distinguish these by the folder environment. If the file is in a directory labeled Scenes, Autodesk, or Maya, it is a 3D project. If it is located in a chat logs or Messenger Plus folder, it is an encrypted conversation. You can verify a Maya file by its size, as 3D scenes are usually several megabytes, whereas chat logs are typically only a few kilobytes. Opening a Maya file in a hex editor will often reveal the Maya and PLE strings in the first few lines of the binary header. Next, viewing and converting. To open a 3D file, you must use the specific Personal Learning Edition version of Maya it was created in. Standard commercial versions of Maya cannot open PLE files to prevent license bypassing. For chat logs, you must use the Messenger Plus log viewer. However, without the original password, the data remains inaccessible. Note that because Windows Live Messenger is defunct, you may need to use a legacy environment or a specialized decryption tool like Log Extract to view the contents on a modern PC. Finally, solving watermark and database errors. If you are trying to remove the watermark from a Maya PLE render, there is no official switch. You must export the objects as OBJ or FBX files and import them into a commercial version, though some metadata may be lost. For chat logs, if the log viewer reports a corrupt header, the file may have been partially overwritten during a disk defragmentation. Using a raw text recovery tool can sometimes salvage fragments of the conversation that were not affected by the encryption block's corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the PLE name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The core value of FileMagick is its resilience. It's built to read the raw contents of an PLE file instantly, ignoring any misleading or incorrect extension. Download it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now. I'm grateful you chose to watch this tutorial.